Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Donelle. I had started to record the first part of this video and I must have paused it or hit stop and then came back to continue at this point, but I've lost that portion of the video. So all right here, I'm doing a little bit of a voiceover because there was a lot of banging and knocking noises in the room, because I didn't realize I started re-recording, but I wasn't talking or anything. I was just looking, trying to figure out what I was going to do. So this is plate M072 from Maniology. It is part of the Supernatural collection. It's called Tarot Readings. And of course, it's mystical, it's tarot, it's crystals, has some bats and things like that on it. Stuff that I'm really into and I really love. So I thought this would be fun to just kind of do a little mystical, witchy, celestial tarot vibe going on right here.
Yeah, so I think it'll just fit in there. Yeah, okay. All right, that part is done. I am going to use my trusty Orly bonder, and usually I dab it on, but I didn't get an extra sponge this time, so I'll just do it this way. I'll give it a second to dry before we try to plop that on. Okay. Okay, so the branch kind of covered right there, but that's okay. And you see when you first stamp, it kind of looks a little rough. Once I put on a top coat, that'll all be better. You see, all the lumps and bumps go away once you get even just a smudge-free top coat. You get on there and it helps a lot. Just some of this like all over image. Having a problem scraping this. Gonna try again. Oh my goodness, that's the wrong. Oh, I picked up the wrong grabber. Okay, let's try again. I'm trying to decide which way I want to scrape, because that makes a difference. If first you don't succeed, try again. Okay, that's much better. I think I'll put this one over the lighter one. I'm gonna start at the, oh, I didn't put on the sticky. Like, I knew it wasn't gonna cover the top, but that's okay, because I knew I would have images left over there. Like that. Oh, that's so pretty. At least I think so. That blue one too, just once you get the top on, it just looks so nice. All right, and let's do a different tarot shape this time. I didn't do it right in the middle, so it's a little, you see how it kind of curves, and when I pull it, it comes out. I'm gonna go with it though. Goodness. My dogs are having fun. All right, making sure I got the outline good first. Because it's not a very big image, so all right, this should be good now. Okay. I have a friend that is into it, and so I'm gonna say this is a little quick mani dedicated to her. All right, I think I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna do the tarot in this color. Now I am going to use that Skin Deep for the hands. Oh my goodness, slid right in. And I might use this Lemon Zest Gold Shimmer, metallic, whatever, for candles. And let's get some sticky on here. My boys are being absolutely insane. And let's see how this is gonna go. It'll do. Let's see how, I know I repeat myself, but stamping is one of those trust the process. Sometimes the process fails, but if you keep going and just get through it, the top coat can kind of cover a lot of imperfections. So the smudge-free top coat is just, like I said, it's kind of like a security blanket between your layers. So once that dries, you can go over it with your favorite shiny top coat, whatever that may be. I am going to use, I've actually never used Clear Jelly Stampers Top Shine, their top coat. So I think I'm gonna give this a try. This is a nice top coat. All right. I like it. I do. I think they look nice. I can't tell in the camera how they, like from my view, trying to pop my head up, they look a little dark, but they're really not that dark. In person, they look really nice. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Shout out to my tarot loving friend. And I hope she likes them, and I hope you like them as well. And I will be back with some samples of some of these other plates I just bought. I think next I'm gonna work on the stained glass. I've been wanting to do stained glass for a while, so that might be next. So keep an eye out for that. And as always, if you want to shop, you can go to maniology.com, or you can download the Maniology app, and you can use my code Donelle10 for 10% off your purchase. That does exclude clearance and subscriptions, unfortunately. There you go. Until next time, bye.